Let's 3D print one of these super cute card boxes. It starts with 2 layers and a pause. First we lay down the fabric, add some magnets to hold the fabric taut, and wait 47 minutes. Take it off the build plate and cut the portion shown in the next photo. Print the additional files for the inside of the box. Glue the top 2 pieces onto the back side of the top 2 panels using E6000. Fold as demonstrated. Insert the bottom panel, followed by the back panel. It fits a traditional playing card, and there's a second version as well. If you'd like to print this, it's up live on my Thanks account now.